So hello from Slovenia again. Today is day 2 with my reverse flower dips in different ways, and today I will do a puddles, a flower with puddles, and I will just start with my pearl white. I will just do some puddles. It's been a long time since I done one of those puddle pour flowers, but I want to show you this kind of easy techniques to do a flower. And of course, I said already yesterday, because Valentines is coming, I will use some reds and golds for these flowers only. I will do all techniques with the same color palette, and we will see how different they will be. So I started with my pearl white mixture. How I mix my pearl white mixture you can find in the description box of this video. And the second one was alizarian crimson from Arties colors, and this one is Decoart, not extreme sheen, 24 karat gold. And I have cadmium red, Artist colors deep shade. It's deep but still vibrant. And I will add some pearl white again, and then black, and then I will go to another, or maybe I will add just black here, just to separate those puddles. And as you can see, I am doing puddles that paint kind of flows in towards the middle, not just dots on dots. Okay, and now I will fast forward you probably for the next row. So these are the puddles, and now you can play a little bit and maybe drag something towards the sides. Let's try that. Just give this a little more shape maybe on the outside if I can. Okay, this will be it. And now I will just spray my paper napkin with water a little bit. And do a reverse flower dip. And I will try to put this in the middle as much as I can. this is done. Just tap a little bit. Okay, and now to the lifting part. 4 corners, and the other 4 corners. And don't forget, on my auction this Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and on Saturday premieres of big collaboration Pour the Love starts. So don't forget, if you want to buy some of my art or see all those lovely and talented people that we did Pour the Love collaboration with. It's always nice to spread love all over the world, isn't it? And you can come to my auction on Friday, 6 p.m. if you want to buy some of my art. And now, just don't want that some of the man parts would appear here. Just hopefully get enough of this off. And I have to say that I really love this one, and I'm glad that I pulled these outer rings puddles a little bit, because it gives some nice depth. I will just try to center it just a little bit, because this pearl white and 24 karat gold reacts a little bit still when they're drying, so that's why I try to oops, sorry. So that's why I try to wait a little bit, and if I have to, that I can get rid of that if I have to. See, something is appearing again, but we will see. Sometimes it's just this nice petal kind of, but if the man part shows up, I definitely want to lose it. So I'm pretty happy that I started with white today. This is what I didn't like as much on the first one that I did. So interesting that those are so big in this middle, but I think that it's stunning. So you see, you don't need to know how to draw a flower. You can just put some puddles down and you will get a nice flower. I hope that you like it too. Tell me in the comments, and maybe which type of my reverse flower dips you want to see next. Of course with the same colors, because We want to see the difference. And see you on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or on the next one. Bye!